Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to find the multiplicative inverse of 105 comma minus 105. As we know that the multiplicative inverse property that is for all a belong to set of real numbers, there must exist 1 over a belong to set of real numbers such that uh, a into 1 over a is equal to 1 over a into a is equal to 1. So this is the multiplicative inverse formula. Here we are dealing with the complex number. So let z is equal to under root 2 comma minus under root 5. Since it's a complex number, so it's equal to 102 minus 105 iota. We have the iota value, which is an imaginary part. 105 iota is an imaginary part, and 102 is the real part. So we need to find 1 over z, the multiplicative inverse of z. So this implies that 1 over z is equal to 1 over root 2 minus root 5 iota. Now to simplify these type of equations, we need to multiply divide with the denominator, but with opposite sign with the imaginary part. Means we need to multiply this whole equation, multiply divided root 2 plus root 5 iota with the opposite sign. So let's multiply divide this equation. Root 2 plus root 5 iota over root 2 plus root 5 iota. So now this equation is equal to root 2 plus root 5 iota over root 2 minus root 5 iota into root 2 plus root 5 iota. So now we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now this form is basically a minus b and a plus b form. But this is the basically this form. Root 2 minus root 5 iota, root 2 plus root 5 iota. So now change this form into this form. So this implies that 1 over z is equal to root 2 plus root 5 iota as it is, or root 2 square, changing into this form, minus root 5 iota whole square. So which is equal to root 2 plus root 5 iota as it is, over this is equal to 2 minus, and this is equal to 5 iota square. So now this is equal to root 5 plus root 2 plus root 5 iota over 2 minus 5 into minus 1. Since we know that the value of iota is root minus 1, implies that iota square is equal to minus 1. So we have the value of iota square is equal to minus 1. I simply put this value here. So this is equal to root 2 plus root 5 iota over 2 plus 5, which is 7. So root 2 plus root 5 iota over 7. So now just split the real part and imaginary parts. So this is root 2 over 7, which is the real part, while root 5 over 7 iota with then imaginary part. So which is equal to root 2 over root 7 comma root 5 over root 7. So this is basically the answer of our question. This is the imaginary part of z.